Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Find your niche and audience. You need to pick something you're genuinely interested in because consistency matters way more than jumping between topics. Figure out who you're making content for, what problems they have, and why they'd watch your videos instead of scrolling past. Step 2. Master the algorithm basics. The algorithm cares about watch time and engagement, so create videos people actually want to finish watching. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions, but keep them natural and clickable. Thumbnails should stand out and make people curious. Step 3. Create a content calendar and publish consistently. Pick a schedule you can stick to, whether that's weekly or twice weekly, and plan your content in advance. Consistency builds trust with your audience and helps the algorithm recognize you as an active creator. Step 4. Engage with your community like it's your job. Respond to every comment in your first few videos, ask questions to spark conversations, and create content based on what your viewers actually want. Community engagement signals to YouTube that your channel is worth promoting. Step 5. Optimize your videos for discovery and sharing. Write compelling descriptions with relevant links, create playlists to keep people watching, use chapters to break up long videos, and always include a clear call to action at the end.